On the night of the 14th of August 2024, near a high school in Naperville, Illinois, patrol officers spotted a vehicle swerving erratically and jumping the curb. The driver, Linda, a middle-aged woman showing clear signs of intoxication and delusion, repeatedly spoke about human trafficking and Detective Elliott. Two traffic officers ordered her to stop for inspection, but Linda refused to cooperate, rolling up her window on the officer's arm before speeding away. This triggered a brief yet intense pursuit, all of which was fully captured on the officer's body cam and dash cam footage.
Is everything all right?
Yes.
Okay.
You were yelling at me.
So the reason I stopped is because I saw you go up on the curb right by the high school. What's going on?
Funny things.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
What's been going on in my book and involved and
Okay. I'm sorry. Tell who?
in my book,
Your book?
sexual traffic. Yeah.
Sexual traffic? Is okay. So you're being trafficked?
My
Your two children are? Okay. What are their names?
I don't know what their names would be to do.
Okay. Well, let's start. Okay.
He left the whiskey jail money.
He left. Who's he?
My ex-husband.
Your ex-husband?
I was going for a post.
Okay. Can I have your ID and insurance, please?
Are you familiar with any detectives?
Yeah, we have quite a few
So who do
detectives.
you know?
We have quite a few detectives.
So
Who are you looking
do
for?
you know?
Who are you looking for?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
Not in this bag. That's who I am.
No, you're good. She drew on the curb in front of the school. Right in front of us. Yeah.
You got the car ready?
No.
You got the plate already?
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks. Can you roll down the window, please?
No.
That's the wrong window.
I have my deal.
Go ahead with the single six, please.
Do you have your insurance?
Ask him.
Ask who?
Ask him, my
Who's-
ex-husband.
Okay. He's not here, so I need your insurance, please.
Whatever you do, ask him.
Ma'am, I need your insurance.
What is it today?
All right. How familiar are you with the English language?
I'm very familiar.
Okay. What's your highest level of education? Ma'am?
Very,
Your highest level of education is married?
very.
Very what? Very high, very low?
After the vehicle finally came to a stop, the officers approached cautiously under the glow of their flashing lights. With calm professionalism, one of them leaned toward the window and requested the woman to hand over her driver's license and identification, hoping to diffuse the growing tension. Linda, her eyes unfocused and movements uncertain, hesitated, her hands trembling slightly on the steering wheel. What began as a routine traffic stop was already shifting into something far more unpredictable, as the officers realized they were not just dealing with a drunk driver, but a woman lost between confusion, fear, and defiance.
Bachelor's? Okay. Awesome. All right, so can you do me a favor, please? Would you be able to recite the alphabet? Do you know the alphabet from A to Z? Can you recite the alphabet for me, please? Just a couple.
Why would I do that? I'm not good.
Can you do it from E to W? Start at E and at W. Okay, how familiar are you with numbers? Can you count from 1 to 100? What was that?
I don't know exactly what you no.
So you're not going to count for me?
I said no.
All right, Linda. So you mentioned something about trafficking. What's going on?
You can look up a case
Okay.
within Naperville
Naperville?
and Detective Elliott.
Detective Elliott from Naperville? Okay. Can you catch me up to speed on the case because I can't access Naperville's records? Okay. Just give me a quick summary.
It's not a quick summary.
Okay.
It takes over a course of a year and a half. My daughter has been trafficked.
By whom?
Her father.
Your ex-husband.
Correct.
Okay. Where's your daughter now?
With him.
With him? Okay. And you were headed back to?
My home with my mom.
Which is?
Go Park.
Okay, I'll be honest. I mean, you sound pretty intoxicated. I can smell a strong odor of perfume, like you're trying to cover up some alcohol. How much have you had to drink tonight?
She began speaking rapidly, jumping from one incoherent topic to another, rambling about human trafficking, detectives, and her ex-husband in fragmented sentences that made little sense. The officers exchanged quick glances, realizing something was off. Trying to stay composed, one of them gently steered the conversation back to the matter at hand, asking how much she had to drink that night. The smell of alcohol mixed with heavy perfume lingered in the air, a clear sign that Linda was attempting to mask her intoxication as her words grew increasingly disjointed and confused.
You came back from where, I'm sorry?
Crafts.
Crafts? Crafts?
Crafts?
Yeah.
Craft brewing? There's a craft brewing.
Okay.
I don't know what it's.
Crafts Brewing?
I don't know what
Okay, where is Crafts?
crafts is like girls that put craft things together.
Oh, okay, like a sip and paint kind of deal? Okay, how much did you have to drink there?
Nothing. Like literally,
Well, now you're giving me two different answers.
no, I'm not. You're asking things.
So how much have you had to drink tonight? Okay, what have you had to drink tonight? Linda, I'm going to have to ask you to step out of the car, okay? I'm going to run you through some field sobriety test, okay? Linda, I'm going to have to ask you to step out of the car, please. Can you step out of the car, please?
No, I'm not doing it.
Linda, look, I got some concerns, okay?
Okay.
You're driving, you're hitting curbs, you're supposedly going to Villa Park, but you're going west when Villa Park's east.
No, I'm not.
In Villa Park?
Yes.
Okay, well, Villa Park's that way.
No, Villa Park is that way.
No, I'm not. You're not driving until I can run you through the field sobriety test and see that you're okay. If you're okay, listen. I'll tell you what. You get out. Your fields look good. You get back in your car. You drive home, and you're good to go. Okay.
Once the officers confirmed that Linda was clearly intoxicated, their tone shifted from cautious to firm. One of them stepped closer to the window and ordered her to step out of the vehicle immediately, making it clear that she was no longer allowed to drive, not for another single moment. The flashing red and blue lights reflected off her anxious face as she gripped the steering wheel tightly, refusing to move. What had started as a simple traffic stop was now on the verge of turning into a dangerous confrontation.
I'm sorry. It's just there's traffic, so I want to make sure you hear me. I'm sorry. I don't mean to yell. It's just I can hear you. I can hear the traffic behind me, so I can't really hear you. But if you get out of the car and do your field.
When asked for her insurance, she refused. She rolled up her window on the officer's arm and argued incoherently, refusing field sobriety tests and ignoring every command.
Hey, get her out of that car right now.
All right. You gotta step out of the car. You gotta step out of the car.
Don't do it.
Officers deployed a tire deflation device, but she drove right over it, speeding off into the night.
Lincoln 2, I'm gonna try and make contact one more time. Be ready to take off.
Instead of complying, Linda suddenly slammed her foot on the gas, sending the car jolting forward in a burst of screeching tires and chaos. The officers shouted commands, but it was too late. The vehicle sped off into the darkness, defying every order. In that reckless moment, her choices sealed her fate. What began as a simple DUI stop had now turned into a criminal pursuit, and Linda would soon have to face the full weight of the law for fleeing from police while intoxicated.
Get out of the car.
Out of the car now.
Get out of the car. I'm gonna rip you out of the fucking car.
Out of the car. Get out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car.
Get out of the car. Out of the car. I got one. I got cuffs. Watch your phone. I got it. I'm on 7-2. Put it on the opposite side. Let me open it.
Yep.
Open up the channel.
Oh, yeah, sure you want. She's got to stop.
No, hold on.
Yeah, step on out. We're going to search you real quick.
Nope. Okay. No, she's gonna step outside. She's not going on my screen.
Okay.
Jimenez.
Diana!
Jimenez.
You're so cool, by the way. Shoot. Alright, don't say sorry. Alright, that's what you did. Do you have anything that's gonna poke, stab, or hurt? No, I don't. Okay, do me a favor, spread your feet apart. Spread your feet apart. Why are you moving? Stop moving. Don't stop moving.
There you go.
Stop touching and stop reaching.
You can Mirandize her now if you want.
But we established earlier that you understand English, so I'm going to read you something. I need
I
a
don't want to speak to you.
I don't care. I need a verbal yes or no.
You.
All right. I need a verbal yes or no.
Okay. No.
All right. Before I ask you any questions, it's my duty to advise you of your constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Linda, you have the right to remain silent.
in the car.
Oh my God. Exactly. Thank you.
Sit down. Have a seat.
Am I
Sit
not
down.
having a seat?
Sit down.
Well, she's got no valid.
You have insurance? I could tell by the way she was kind of ignoring him. I was like, oh, let me get my stuff fixed. So I put it by the rear side, and I was like, yeah, let's put it in the front. And then sure enough, when he's like, man, get stuff in the car, get stuff in the car, stuff in the car, she ignored him, rolled the window up, put her arm in the window, it like pinched him. And he was like, out with this. And then she looked at us, put in drive, and went right over the stop sign. It's on St. Charles, North St. Charles.
She hit another curb on St. Charles. Speeds were like, what, 40,
30 to 40.
30 to 40.
Yeah, I did 45 max.
That sounded good.
Those tires were going quick.
Yeah, they were.
Linda was later arrested and charged with multiple offenses, including driving under the influence, fleeing and eluding police, resisting arrest, battery to a peace officer, and several traffic violations. Her reckless decision not only endangered herself, but also the officers and everyone on the road that night. The case stands as a stark reminder that defiance in the face of law enforcement never ends well. One moment of panic or arrogance behind the wheel can destroy years of freedom and trust. The lesson is clear when stopped by police. Cooperation and honesty are the only ways to stay safe and avoid turning a mistake into a criminal disaster.